Hello, this is Phil with Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting, and we're back at the patch today. Gonna see if the mushrooms are popping. We'll grab me a picking stick. Looks like someone's been in here ahead of me. Turn this mushroom over. Looks like the patch is being taken over by what looks like to be lactarius. Oh, that's a nasty mushroom though. Some people pick this mushroom, but I don't care for it. And here we have our first button of the day. Couple babies. So they're popping in here, just not really strong this year yet. There's more of them lactarius mushrooms. Well, this patch has been probably got picked over pretty good over the weekend. Right after I picked it, they probably didn't find much though. Usually when I see a lot of these lactarius in the patch, it means there's not going to be a lot of chanterelles this year. They don't seem to coexist very well. Well, if they were buying these mushrooms, I'd have a pretty good bag full by now. Boy, now there's a beauty. Yeah. Okay, no one's been over here for at least 5 days, so I may have good luck yet today. Not a whole lot of mushrooms today. I'll come back here again in another week and check it again. I'm just finding one mushroom in each spot where I usually find a pound. It's a nice button. You know, I could rake this all up and probably find a handful here, but you know, it's not worth it, because if I did that, that would be it for the patch. If I come back next week, there could be 10 pounds here in this one little spot. I can see there's been other pickers in here raking this patch. If it wasn't for that, I think there'd probably be a couple pounds of mushrooms here at least. So I think I'm going to head on and hit another spot that fewer people know about. Everybody knows about this spot, so this is to be expected. Here we have some Rasula mushrooms. These are edible, but still not one that I care for. Other people eat these, so you can see just about every spot that I picked being taken over by these Rasulas and lactarius. See more signs of digging. Someone probably got some mushrooms here. Oh, I walked right by that one. Looks like I might have even stepped on it. Ooh. Well, they're spotty, but they're in here. About one mushroom in each patch. Two mushrooms. Oh, I think there might be a mushroom right there too. Yeah, there is a mushroom right there. Yeah, starting to get some clusters now. May end up getting a pound yet today. There's some pipsissewa. I'm going to pick some of this and make some tea. So I'm going to wait for a nice rain before I come back to this particular spot. But the day's not over. I got a couple more spots I could check yet. Well, I'm going to have to warn you, there's a nest of angry yellow jackets camped out at the parking spot. You always got to be on the lookout of yellow jackets because they'll get you out here. Well, looks like we got a log blocking the road, so this is as far as we go. We'll walk the rest of the way. Well, it looked like somebody tore this patch up pretty good. Doubt if there'll be any mushrooms growing in this spot this year again. You see that bump there? You got a little bit of mushroom just peeking out. That's just a stick. Lactarius. Well, I didn't see any other chanterelles in the patches down here, so I'm going to give it a couple more weeks and let them get a chance to get big, and then I will be back. This is Phil with Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting. I thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one.